CoinEX, guys! Danjo Capital Master here, the one and only NFT King. Guys, how are you? Today, I will teach you my trading tips and techniques, secret trading tips that I use personally. And guys, just to give you an idea, trading involves risk before we start. Disclaimer, alright? There's no guarantee in trading. So I will just share you my personal experience regarding CoinEX and regarding trading. Because for me, it is the best crypto exchange so far.
Wow.
Right? And as you can see here, the interface is straightforward. The rankings are on the homepage. There are a lot of coins, markets, values here. And you can trade crypto anytime, anywhere. Meaning you can use it on your mobile device. Right? Very straightforward, very simple. There's 10,000 transactions per second. The withdrawals are fast. I've done many videos in CoinEX already. And if you want to copy trade, you don't know how to trade. If you want a sustainable, and reliable platform, this is for you. Now, moving forward, they also have a token which is called CoinEX token, which is amazing as well. Basically, it's a value-added services and privileges scheme based on the CoinEX business ecosystem. And as you can see, you can check the latest price of CoinEX and you can trade it as well. So as you can see, guys, very nice. It's already green, guys, alright? Meaning it's bullish. So there's also burning mechanism to sustain it to the long term. There are a lot of privileges. So mining, staking, so which is I love personally, guys. I love staking to earn passive income. But basically, you can trade here, guys. There's margin trading, futures, finance, staking. So you can try staking your CET and earn estimated APY 3.28%, which is quite massive. So annual percentage yield return. Estimating period, redeeming period is 3 days. Okay, estimated 3 days, which is quite amazing. And in my honest opinion, guys, trading is very nice, guys. You can make a lot of money in trading, but you can also lose in trading. So there's that factor that you need to consider. Also, guys, make sure you use your referral code, right? And you receive massive bonus as well. Here, if you want, you can check them out. There's also the market data here for you to see, no? Yung top gainers, top losers, and the value leaders, guys, right? And once you click exchange, you can check spot trading, which I personally like. So you can even spot trade here, guys, if you want. So I will give you an example, live tutorial. I will trade right now. So looking at the top part, there's the 1 day time frame. There's also 5-minute time frame. Okay, I usually do 5 minutes in 1 day, and sometimes I change it to 1 minute as well if I want to trade fast. So just like now, as you can see, it's going downward. So as you can see, this is a solid support, guys. So support is the line of the chart where many people are buying it. Alright, so it's not going down further. Resistance is the line of the chart when the candle goes up, but it cannot beat the resistance. There are a lot of people selling it. So you must know when to buy and when to sell, when to trade, guys. It's not just easy to trade whenever you want, alright? It's not convenient and you might lose a lot, in my honest opinion. So me personally, I'm using 3 indicators: RSI, Relative Strength Index, which is already here. And obviously, guys, I'm also using MACD, which is already here. So MACD, I'm just looking at bearish and bullish crossover and obviously the trend. So as you can see, if you follow the trend of the MACD, it usually shows, okay, if the chart will go further higher or lower. And also, the most important thing is RSI is the closest. If the line of the chart, alright, is above 70, it means it's overbought. Actually, from the 65 level to 70, you're already going to make an assumption for me that it's already overbought, so I won't buy there anymore. I will buy around 50 mark. So you can see, if you buy around 50 mark, obviously you need to make a stop loss because it might go down. But for me, if you buy at the 50 mark and you can see that the MACD already is a bearish crossover. So depending on the indicators that you're following, depending on the strategy you're following, but for me, that's my strategy. So I buy on support, sell on resistance, and usually I'm right. For example, I buy at this mark where the RSI is close to 50 but it's going up, and then looking at the MACD as well, it's going upwards. Alright, there's already the crossover here. Alright, so you can see there's a crossover here. So as you can see, it's the perfect time to buy. You can also buy around 30 mark in the RSI. 30 to 50 is the best spot. So never go above 50 because there might be a chance where you buy right now and the price went up, let's just say 5%, but the next day it can crash down because it's near the resistance. So be careful, right? Be careful. So you're not until you're not sure that the next resistance is being beaten, like for example this one. So you can see it tried to beat the resistance here by going here. Alright, so you have to be careful about this, guys. You need to learn first and usually check quad-day time frame. From BTC, the solid support is 53k mark. This is the most solid support. It will not go down further. If it go down further, then there's a chance of people buying it, guys, on the 50k mark. So stop loss around 50k. As you can see, it happened here last August 5. And if you're trying to buy Bitcoin, the best resistance is around 64k mark. So if you bought today, sell around 63, 64. And the next resistance is around 68k mark. Line of chart where many people are selling. Alright, remember that. Don't buy near the resistance, guys. It's the most risky. Guys, I encourage you, please. That's my best advice. Don't buy at resistance. Even if, you know, many people are hyping you, your friends, your community members are telling you, it's time to buy already. For me, it's good. But it's not really good to buy in resistance, even if it's a nice coin. Because you might not know if there's still demand when many people already bought the token or the coin. You might not know how many people want to sell with all the profits they have gained substantially, alright, considering the fact that the coin increase in value, alright. So obviously, guys, as of now, Bitcoin has 5% increase, which is massive. You can check also other coins here on the left side. So USDC, Ethereum is also my favorite. It's around 2-3 mark. So it's on a solid support right now, guys. In my honest opinion, it's best time to buy Ethereum. Solid support, right? It's a solid support. As you can see, stop loss around 2k, stop loss 2k, and then sell around 2.8 level. So that's my best strategy. And obviously, before we go, we check about CET, which is their token. It's in the peak resistance right now. So before you buy, my best advice is to wait until it builds a new support and breaks a new resistance. So you can see this is the resistance, guys, solid resistance 0.08. Maybe it's trying to break it, so wait, guys, before to buy CET. If you have CET already, best to stake it for the long term. That's just my personal advice, right? CET is good for the long term, and staking it will give you massive returns in the future for me, right? Obviously, there's no guarantee. Investing involves risk, staking involves risk, and trading involves risk. Alright, so Danjo Capital Master, hope you learned a lot in my latest video tutorial, trading tips in CoinEX. If you have more questions, comment down below or join my Telegram community group, open for all members. Also have a VIP member group. Alright, so if you have a subscription, membership subscription on my channel, you can access my VIP group. But for the majority, you can just communicate with my general trading group in Telegram as well and Facebook, so which we can communicate further in trading. So Danjo Capital Master here, the NFT King. Have a nice day. CoinEX update, guys. Trading tutorial tips.